They're not related by blood, but they love each other like family. Every time she sits down, he curls up beside her, like he just knows she needs it. Maybe they're both a little lonely, and somehow finding each other made them whole. In a small house at the edge of the village, there lives an old lady with silver hair, quietly sharing her days with the dogs and cats she has taken in. She's over 80 now. A few years ago, her husband passed away. Since then, the house has become quieter, less laughter, fewer voices. Her children all live far away, each with their own busy life. Sometimes they stop by, bringing a bag of fruit, some medicine, then maybe in a hurry. Loneliness grew slowly, like dust gathering in the corners. Only the ticking clock and the wind brushing the window remained. Until Luna appeared. Luna was a small brown dog with big, sad eyes that seemed to understand everything. She was once a stray, wandered into the yard one rainy day, soaked and shivering, hiding in the corner. Grandma Dio looked at her, and in Luna's eyes, she saw the same look her husband had when he was sick. She wrapped Luna in a towel, gave her some cold rice. From that day on, Luna stayed. And from that day on, Grandma was no longer truly alone. But Luna wasn't the only one. There was also a little cat she rescued from the market, and a few playful poodles she had taken in over time. Each one small and gentle, each with their own personality, like old friends filling up the house.
Bà nói bá nó theo bà, thì còn lại